What's up, everybody? This here is the Arrma Mojave. This is the BLX version. This here was sitting as a roller, didn't have no electronics, and a couple weeks ago my kid totaled out his Senton, so we decided to go ahead and put the electronics in this beast and see how it would handle. And to our surprise, it handled very well, which you're going to see today. So here is the Senton's 3S ESC. There's the motor. We got a 16-tooth pinion. We are running, this is stock, well, this is out of a UDR. It's a stock Traxxas UDR servo that my buddy John let me borrow. Over here we got these 40mm fans from G-Force Fans. Awesome company there. We also got this, what I call the craft cover, and this thing keeps pretty much a lot of the debris out of here. Not all of it, but most of it. And Cameron Craft and Whitney Craft, they make some amazing covers, dust covers, and I'm telling you, man, nothing but quality. Anyway, so back to this. I'm going to go ahead. What I'm running is a 3S 8000 mAh Gen Ace LiPo, the 3-cell, along with a 15 milliamp Z-Pack to power the fan. Let's go ahead and give this thing a rip and see how she does. All right, everybody, we are all powered up. Let's see what this baby could do on 3S. We'll see what you'll do on some jumps. See if we get a good one here. There we go. There's a little bit of cogging with the 16 tooth. See if we get another jump in here. Yeah, this UDR stock servo is not the greatest. Go ahead and line up for another jump. Try that again. All right, let's line up for another jump and see what happens. Yeah, I think if we geared it down to a 15, she'd do a whole lot better. Maybe even a 14. This won't be as fast, but she'll be torquey. Okay, line up for another jump. All right, just gonna get a little speed run in.